Alright, hi. In this video, we're going to learn how to use green screen. If you shot your footage and you have a green background that you set up to shoot your video, and you want to replace the green background with whatever video or whatever picture that you may have, alright? In this video, we're going to learn how to do that, alright? So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so we are inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. To make sure that we are on the same page, let's go to Window, click on Workspace, and click on Editing. Also, make sure that you click on Reset to Save Layout to make sure that we're really on the default screen. So let's go ahead and create a new sequence, green screen. Alright, to create a new sequence, click on File, New, and then click on Sequence. And then we're going to create green screen. Alright, hit enter. Now we have the green screen sequence here. Now I already have downloaded the green screen footage sample in the assets folder, so let's go and try to look for that assets folder. So we're in the project panel, and let's go to the assets folder. We go to video, and there's a green screen here. All right, green screen video. All we have to do is to drag and drop it, all right, to our timeline. Boom. So clip doesn't match our sequence settings. Change the sequence setting, match the clip to settings. So click on Keep Existing Settings. All right, that's kind of large, so I'm gonna make it right click on it and click on Scale to Frame Size. All right, cool. Let's make it increase the picture. All right. Now, to remove the green screen on the video, all we have to do is to go to Effects panel. All right, click on the Effects panel and look for the Ultra key. All right, Ultra key. All right, under Video Effects Keying, there's an Ultra key. We just need to simply drag and drop it to our footage. All right. Now, once it's already added, we need to click on Effects Control at the top, and we look for the Ultra key effect. And we have the under Key Color, we have the eyedropper. You simply click on this to change or to remove the green screen on the background. All we have to do is to change the key color here, choose the eyedrop here, and choose the eyedrop here, and then click on the green screen. All right, click on the, and then it will automatically remove the green background on your video. To make a little bit adjustment, we have the matte generation here, we have the transparency, and yep. All right, let's undo it. To make sure that we do it properly, we can do output. We can click on alpha channel. All right, as you can see, the white color is the subject. All right, now this should be black. Everything should be black except the white subject in here. As you notice here, there's some imperfection that we can fix. So by doing that, we can do alpha channel, and to fix that, you can change the transparency. All right, I'm just dragging it to the left or to the right, depends. Okay, I think it's not this one, so let's undo it. Now the highlight. All right, no, it's not this. And we have the shadows. Okay, increase the shadows, decrease the shadows. There you go. Now the shadow is the one that we need to work on. Okay, for the tolerance, let's try to increase the tolerance, decrease the tolerance. Pedestal, increase the pedestal, decrease the pedestal. All right, say let's increase it right there. All right, and that's you go. Now for the matte cleanup, you can clean up the edges. All right, this one is for the credit. So for the choke, you can increase the choke, you can decrease it. All right, it depends. All right, as you notice, one edge. So let's try to make it a little bit larger so you can see. All right. All right, so choke, increasing the choke, decreasing the choke. All right, so just increase a little bit the choke. Let's undo it. All right, I think it's good. And we have the soften. All right, increase the soften, decrease the soften. Okay, so contrast, we can increase the contrast, decrease the contrast. All right, so you. And we have the midpoint, increase the midpoint, decrease the midpoint. Doesn't make any difference. Reason behind this video is already captured properly on the green screen. All right, there's an even light on the background on the green screen. That's why we're doing less effort in Premiere Pro to change the color or the background of the green screen, background of the video. Okay, so once you're done tweeting, fine-tuning the green screen or the subject, we can go back to composite. There you go. Now once you play it, all right, there you have it. Now the green screen was removed. All right, now if you want to add a background on this girl, make sure to drag this video clip on the second layer so that we can add the background here. All right, so it will be on top of the girl. All right, you can add whatever video or photo that you want. Say for example, we want to go to our video. Let's go to our assets video. Okay, let's try to increase it. Let's go to assets folder, go to video, and let's look for the folds. All right, let's drag and drop these folds in our video. All right, there. Now if we move this, there you have it. Let's increase it. Now I added the folds in the background, all right, of the girl. All right, as we play it, there you go. But this one is a shorter clip, that's why. All right, now this green screen, we can unlink the audio so that you can remove the audio. By doing that, you right click on it and click on unlink. Click on unlink, and then now you can make changes. You can delete this, you can remove it without clipping on this video clip. All right, so we can remove this now by hitting press after we unlink it, and we can just decrease it. All right, and now we can make it to change the speed of this video to make it a little bit larger. So let's slow it down for 50% to make it longer. All right, and there you have it. So let's try to play it. There you go. And also you can put some color on it if you want to add colors in the green screen or in your video clip. If you want to add, let's click on new item. Let's click on color matte, and it looks good for me. Click OK. Now I want blue or light blue for the background. All right, like this. Okay, this one is cool. All right, and click OK on that. And let's say blue. All right, click on OK, rename it with blue, and now you can just simply on the project panel, you can just simply drag and drop it to your video clip. All right, and then you will have your background color. All right, so you can increase this, all right, to the length that you want, and then once you play it, you got the color. All right, you can change the color if you want to, let's say bluish. Click OK, and there you have it. Just double click it and then click on whatever color do you want here, or a green or red. All right, you can do orange. Click on OK. Now you can change the background whatever color you want. All right, you can also add pictures and videos underneath of this so that you can add all of the pictures here if you want. Okay, so that's how you use green screen, and that's how you remove the green screen and replace it with a different color, and you can replace different video as your background. It's up to you. All right, well, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.